Hi everyone, welcome to this short webinar where we will break down the session reflecting on digitalization and how it's designed to maximize learning and feedback. The main purpose of this session is to help participants reflect on their learning journey to evaluate the program's effectiveness and to explore how they can use their new knowledge and skills in real life situations. The whole session lasts for about 90 minutes, depending on the group size. It's very flexible and can be adapted for the on site training as well as online training. The first activity in this session is called Learning Takeaway. It lasts for about half an hour. And this activity will encourage participants to look back on what they have learned so far during the whole Digitalization Youth Work program. First, trainers will start by telling participants why reflection is important and that it's all about understanding what they have gained and how they can apply those skills and knowledge. Each participant will create a graphic or presentation to summarize their learning so far. They will use tools like Canva or some other digital tools. And to guide them, trainers can ask them questions like, what did I discover today? What do I understand better now? What do I need to research more about? Or similar topics. It really depends on the whole program and depends on the trainer. And then once the participants are done creating those graphics or presentations, they will share them in a common space like WhatsApp or Facebook group or whatever common space the trainers decide for this session. It can Padlet or Google Drive can be used also as tools. Second activity is called Evaluation Survey. It also lasts for about half an hour. And this activity is about getting structured feedback from participants. So the first activity was more about freestyle and opinions of the participants, but this will be a survey with questions that were created and written beforehand by trainers. Again, it's very important for trainers to explain to participants why feedback matters, not just for the training team, but also for the participants themselves. And trainers need to assure participants that their responses will be confidential and will help improve future programs. And trainers can go over the survey questions together with participants, making sure everyone understands them. Using tools like Google Forms or Mentimeter is great for this activity as well. And the last activity in this session also lasts for half an hour. It's called Echo Chamber. This is a group sharing activity just to wrap things up for the whole session. It gives participants a chance to express their emotions and thoughts. And it works in a way that trainers will first gather everyone in a circle. In a virtual circle if it's an online training, and explain that they will share their reflections by choosing a photo card that resonates with them. Participants will then pick a card, take their turns sharing their thoughts on that card, and it's really important for trainers to encourage participants to be honest and genuine in providing these answers. And as a facilitator or a trainer, at the end of this activity, you should thank everyone for their input and close with a positive reinforcement. In a virtual setting, trainers will use a digital photo library and let participants share their chosen images on a shared screen while also explaining what that image means for them. Some additional tips for trainers and facilitators is to be very flexible, to adapt activities to your group size and group needs, to encourage creativity, and to foster openness within the group. Expected learning outcomes for participants is by the end of this session, they will have a very clear understanding of what they have learned throughout the whole Digitalization Youth Work program and how they can use those skills and knowledge. And then everyone kind of, it's really important for trainers to make each participant feel appreciated and that they have also contributed to the whole group learning by just being there and participating. And so this session, reflecting on digitalization, concludes the whole Digitalization in Youth Work Education program. And this is the last part of our webinar series. All the educational programs and training sessions can be downloaded for free from the project website. I hope everyone enjoyed listening, and I hope that the whole training session is a little bit more clear to everyone. Bye.